Hello everybody, we're fixing a, look at this, so it's been to another shop before. Look at what they've done. They've replaced the backlight circuit, they've left one cap off, but this phone doesn't have a front camera, so there's a few components missing and damaged. Just gonna fix it up. So they took this phone to another shop. It got a iPhone 6 backlight repaired, but they damaged the front camera. The front camera gets really hot, so there's a few components missing and damaged resistors that I'm just fixing up. Yeah, it's pretty bad. I'll show you now. God damn. Okay, I see one resistor that's broken, but I'm not too sure. Let's just test the front camera now. I just want to go in my schematics. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that one's that, and C1295, what is that for? C1295. One, two, three, four. Yeah, let me show you guys here. This is done by another shop. Look at this mess. So, I'll show you what's been damaged. That was missing. That was hanging off like crazy. I'm checking what that is. That looks damaged as well. So maybe there was a short to ground and camera line, I'm not too sure, but that resistor there does look damaged. So I've just put these two down just for testing. I'm going to check what that does, see if it is still functioning. These people, man, these technicians, seriously, what the fuck? Let's see. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, R0704. R0704. PP1V8, that could be for front camera. Ooh, it's coming from a data line. For rear camera. Does this have a rear camera problem or a front camera problem? You know what? I'm just gonna replace it to be safe, because I don't got time for warranties. Yeah, it's definitely broken. It's on the tip of that. Oh, you can't see it, can you? So, let's just do an examination. So, let's go back to the point. Someone has replaced this backlight circuit, okay? Now, this resistor was cracked, I think, from his tweezers. This one. And these two were missing. This was hanging off like a crazy, I don't know, this thing was like upside down, 180. This was missing. This was damaged as well. I think he put a random capacitor in there, which is completely wrong. And I'm going to just replace this one because this is the 1V8 line for the rear camera. So the whole issue with this phone is that the camera is getting really hot. So the camera is getting really hot. I'm going to suggest, after this guy fucked up these, because this, look how skew this coil is. I mean, what the fuck? Anyways, so we're going to replace this one and we're going to test cameras because this was fucked up by the technician. Let's replace cameras. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4 from the right side. Hello, guys. Can you just check notes for me and see if it's... Oh no, I've got the thing. Because all that's damaged is the rear camera.
Rear camera or front camera?
They said rear, right?
Front camera.
One...
Said on the north end label. Front camera. 2.05 front camera. Exactly what it says.
Well, I think that the issue is actually with the rear camera, because the rear camera line is completely fucked up. I come here like a ninja, like ninja. Okay, and there's another one. What the fuck does this do? 5, 3, 5, R0709, R0709. Okay, that's the one. So, he's also damaged another one. Yeah. Okay, so this has been repaired somewhere else before, if anybody doesn't know. This one was damaged, but this one is damaged as well from the other technician. So the whole issue is that R079, which is the front cam clock, this is an activator. It's activation for front camera. So I am going to replace, I've literally replaced this, and I'm going to replace this one now. And yeah, let's replace that one and we'll test front cameras. Fuck, why are you technicians doing this shit? So it looks to me like they put some random resistor on there. Hello, Toddies. So yeah, they've definitely fucked around with this one. So it's on there. I don't know if you can see it. You can't see it. Okay. Let's just prepare so I can. Did I remove it already? Can I take it from here? Yes. No. Oh, my dad's in the chat. Surgery's going good. Yes, I'm saving someone else from their mistakes. Okay, so let's get back to the point here. So, Someone else has replaced this backlight circuit before, and here it is. I've replaced this. This was damaged, this was damaged, and this was damaged, and this was damaged. So, by rights, all this should give me a front camera. So, let's see. Do we get a front camera? I just want to test the backlight circuit first, because if that extra heat did something to the backlight, I need to know before I plug it in. Backlight circuit's still fine. So apparently the front camera was getting hot. So, where's the screen? Front camera's not damaged. Let's get the code. What was the name? Alan Wright.
Yes.
No passcode. Yes, no front camera. No front camera. And no back camera. So let's see if we get the front camera now. Oh, you did not see that. Don't I look good? What's up, Yildiray? Yeah, so let's get back to the problem. So the actual problem was this bad boy.